Sesame Seed Turkey Burgers. Let's get started with 1 pound of turkey meat. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of dried cranberries, 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped jalapeno, 1 cup of chopped mushrooms, 1/2 cup of chopped celery, 1/4 cup of chopped pecans, 1/2 cup of chopped onion. Now, if you want to take the time to saute your mushrooms and onions, feel free. It will add another layer of flavor. Now, I always like to mix it up a bit, so let's add in some barbecue sauce. How about this? Cranberry honey mustard? Why not? A couple squeezes of that. Chipotle Cholula. I add that to everything. Yeah. Okay, now, I'm not recommending any particular spice. Recipes are all about adding what you like. So I grabbed some black pepper, lemon pepper, salt, paprika, and coriander, which I also love. Now stir it all up. Pop it out on some parchment paper and squeeze it together to make a loaf. This is going to allow you to portion off your burgers evenly. I just slice it in the middle, half each side, and then half each one of those to make 8 burgers. And after creating your patties, I sprinkle a lot of sesame seed on both sides. I love sesame seeds. I'm cooking them on 325 degrees. I can only fit 4 in at a time. But not least, numero 4. Okay, let's close this baby up. Less than 15. Let's start there. I'm going to go ahead and flip them halfway through. Usually you only have to cook turkey burgers 5 minutes on either side, but I ended up cooking these 15 minutes because I kept opening it and checking them. But you want to make sure that your meat is 165 degrees Fahrenheit in order to make sure it's properly cooked. So here they are, turkey burgers. I'm going to have a sandwich for lunch. And then I'm going to go ahead and saute up the onion and mushroom. Be sure to add some salt and pepper. I'm going to also add my favorites, which is coriander, paprika, and lemon pepper. After you brown them, I added butter. I'm from the Midwest. I added milk and American cheese. I love it. Okay, once it boils, you want to get it to the right consistency. And then I'm going to add my turkey burgers back in, heat them up, and look at this delicious meal ready for dinner. Turkey burgers with a creamy mushroom sauce.